In this demonstration, we're going to look at modifying the direct access infrastructure, and we're going to do that by using the Getting Started wizard. So what we've done here is we've come into our remote access management console, we've got the configuration, and we've got the direct access and VPN. First thing we'll do here is we'll just click Edit next to our remote client. Then what we'll do here is we're not going to modify the deployment scenario, so we'll select Next. We're not going to modify the groups, so again we'll select Next. And now what we've got here is we've got our network connectivity assistant. Then what we're going to do here is just under resources that validate connectivity to internal network, we'll just select our little drop down here. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to specify a different server. So we'll just double click, show that HTTP is selected, and then we'll just specify the server. So we're specifying lonserve1.datum.com, we'll select validate. We've got a tick, so connectivity URL was validated successfully. So we'll select Add. So we've now added in this additional resource. And at this point here, we'll select Finish. And what we'll do is we'll move on to step 2, which is our remote access service. So we'll select Edit. And what we've got here, we'll verify that Edge is selected. We will verify we have the IP address, and we'll select Next. We'll verify we have the right network connectors. We'll verify that we have a self-signed certificate, and we'll select Next again. And now what we have is we have authentication. What we're going to do at this point here is we're going to use computer certificates. We'll select Browse. And what we'll do here is we'll select our datum CA and select OK. What we'll also do here is enable Windows 7 client computers to connect via direct access, and we select Finish. We'll scroll this along a little bit further, and then we'll go to step 3. So under step 3, we're going to go for infrastructure service, so we'll select Edit. And what we're going to do here is just under the actual network location server, rather than use the network location servers deployed on the remote access server, what we're going to do here is we're going to have it deployed as a remote web server recommended. And then we'll type in the URL. We'll select Validate. We've got a tick, so that's good. And we'll select Next. That brings us to DNS. We're not going to modify any of these settings. And we're also not going to modify the DNS suffix search list, so we'll select Next at this point. We're not going to bother modifying anything under management, so we'll select Finish. Then what we'll do is we'll just go to step 4, select our Edit button. We're not going to bother actually modifying any of this, so we're not going to bother changing any of these settings at all. We're going to leave it as Do Not Extend Authentication to Application Servers. I don't have one. So at this point here, all we'll do is select Finish. And that's the end of this demonstration of modifying the direct access setup by using the Getting Started wizard. Thank you.